Hi guys! Alright, so this is what I ordered online and this is an overbed table. Alright, let's get it on and unbox it. Alright guys, so this is the finish. Already finished and it's difficult. I almost cried putting this one. So if you're planning to buy one, don't buy something like this. See, I tried to, it's broken here. I tried to hammer it. I hammered it so it's broken because this is the hardest part. This should be the foundation, that's why it should be solid. It's really difficult for me to put this one, and the easiest part is this table. Alright, okay, so I already have my over the bed table. So this is my over the bed table. Alright guys, please like, hit the button, hit the subscribe button, and see you. Hello everyone, let's unbox the overbed table. Okay, so this is what I ordered online, and let's unbox it. This is an overbed table. It's not a bedside table, but it is called an overbed table. Alright, let's get it on. Hi guys! Hi guys! So today we're going to unbox the overbed table that I ordered online. Let's try to unbox it. Alright guys, so today, ouch. Alright guys, so today we're going to unbox the box. This is an overbed table. It's not a bedside table, but an overbed table. And let's try to do it manually. Let's try to assemble. Let's try to assemble the overbed table. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, what is in the box? This is a table. Okay, all right, let's try to unbox it. Let's unbox the table, everyone. Okay, let's unbox the table. Okay, so this is like a bedside table, but it's not a bedside table.